Hello, and welcome to another episode of Lying Down. I'm Gail Towle with AIM Solder, here to answer your most pressing questions. Today, we're responding to Roger, who writes, in our recent PCB assembly, we have a significant number of bottom-terminated components. We've been noticing some unusual performance issues across the board, which we suspect may be linked to the no-clean solder residue under these BTCs. Thanks, Roger. Your concern about no clean solder residue, especially in the context of numerous bottom-terminated components or BTCs, is indeed warranted. Sometimes component manufacturers recommend no clean flux, even though that may not be the best choice for these types of components. Although these fluxes are designed to be left on the board after reflow, studies have shown that no clean residues under BTCs aren't always fully deactivated. The lack of complete evaporation of the activators in these materials means that they remain trapped under the component after reflow. This can lead to electrochemical reactions and result in current leakage or reduced electrical resistance, potentially leading to the kind of performance issues you're experiencing. While no clean fluxes, or more accurately, low residue fluxes, were intended to simplify PCB manufacturing by skipping the cleaning step, in scenarios like yours, cleaning may be needed after all. Moreover, these fluxes often leave behind residues that may prove difficult to remove, requiring specialized cleaning processes. Their composition necessitates the use of specific solvents or saponifier solutions for effective cleaning, and you should definitely reach out to your paste supplier for recommendations tailored to your flux chemistry and PCB design. Note, however, that a change in paste type or supplier might be another route to investigate. Some solder paste manufacturers are responding to issues like yours by creating fluxes that better deactivate under BTCs, allowing you to continue skipping the cleaning step in your manufacturing process. In summary, balancing the advantages of no clean fluxes with the need for cleaning in specific cases is key to maintaining the integrity of complex PCBs. Until next time.